everyone, my name is Ling. Today I'm going to teach you topic 5.2, the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, so to start this topic, I will try to draw a formula so you guys can understand more. Okay, so this is the question that you need to know about the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to find y. And you already know this angle is 40 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. You can do this with two ways. The first way is pretty easy, but it's quite long. And the second one is, it's pretty easy too, but it's way more shorter. Okay, so I'll do the long one first. As you can see, if you want to find y, you have to find this angle first. Because if you want to take the sum of this triangle, which is 180, you minus 40, you minus the sum of two of these angles, which is 100, it would be 80. It would be 80, right? Okay, so this small angle would be 80 degrees, as you can see here. And if you want to find this y angle, you have to take 118 and minus it to 180 degree and to 80 degrees, because you already know that this is 80 degrees. And when you want to find y, you have to take 180 and minus 80 degrees. So 180 minus 80 is 100 degrees. So you can know that y is 80 degrees. Pretty easy, right? Yeah, okay. So now I will show you the easy way and a lot more shorter. Okay, so firstly, let's just forget that this is 80 degrees, okay? Delete it. Get it out of your mind. And you have to find y. There is another way. Instead of finding this angle and take 180 and minus this angle, you don't have to do that. You can do a much more easy way, which is you are going to have to take 80 plus 40 is 100, right? Yeah, so when you get 100, this is also the answer. Y is 100 degrees. Okay, do you get it? Yeah, that's it. It's really easy, right? Why? Well, it's because when you take this angle and you add it all up together, you will find that angle y. It's really easy, right? Okay, let me show you another example. Okay, so again, I've also done this question. It's also really easy, and it's like the last one. You can see that you have to find b over here. So yeah, it's really easy. There are two ways. Firstly, you have to take 118 minus the sum of two of these angles, which is 40, and the answer would be 140 degrees. Okay, so you can see here that this small angle right here is 140 degrees. Okay, so when you already know that this angle is 140 degrees, you will just have to take 180 minus 140, which is 40, and B will be 40 degrees. Really easy, right? Okay, so this second way is much more easier, and you already know that, is that you will only take 20 over here plus 20 degrees equals 40 degrees, and you will find B. Really easy, right? Okay, so after this lesson, you learned that this is an exterior angle, okay? This is an exterior angle. And yeah, and you can know that when we add up three of these, it will be 180 degrees. Okay, pretend this is A, this is B, and this is C. So when you add A and B and C together, you get 180 degrees. Also, when B B here, okay, B over here, B2, and A plus, oh yeah, and also B2 and A here is also 180 degrees. It's because the sum of the angles are on a straight line. Yeah, this is straight. I draw it. Yeah, I didn't draw it like the best I could, but yeah, I think it's pretty good. Okay, so after you learn this lesson, you can notice that this is really easy, and you can do this just in a few seconds without using a calculator. Okay, thank you for listening. Goodbye.